In this video, I will be disassembling this 2021 Land Rover Defender full LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've cut the lens off the light. I will begin by removing the T20 screws holding on the black bezel. There's one wire harness connector here on the corner LED. This LED board is simply clipped into place. Next, I'll remove the T20 screws holding in this LED drive unit. Next, I will disconnect this lower mount by simply reaching behind and twisting. Next, I'll release the upper projector mount by using a flathead screwdriver to twist this upper lock. With the upper and lower mounts released, we can pull out the projector. On the rear of the light, I'm going to simply twist to unlock the wire harness connector. Lastly, I'll remove the inner and outer brackets and then pull the wire harness free. The projector and wire harness are now free from the light. The housing is now empty. I'm going to remove the projector shroud. I need to lift up and push forward to release the clip. We need to repeat the same process on the bottom. There are 4 T20 screws holding the projector to the bracket. There are 2 T20 screws holding the fan to the bottom of the projector. There are 4 T10 screws holding the projector together. At this point, we can finally disconnect the wire harness from the drive unit. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here's the front LED circuit board. Here's the LED circuit board and heatsink inside the light. Here is the projector cooling fan and duct. Here's the AFS motor. Here's the projector LED drive unit. Here's the projector lens and lens holder. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.